Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching. As from the last video you saw, which I put up, we're at the Manchester City Stadium, showing you the quick update on how well construction is going to extend the stadium. But next to it is obviously the Metrolink, as you can hear in the background. But there's also something which not many people have actually seen, and I'm going to be doing this for the first time. I'll be taking it really slow because health issues which I've explained about before. So what we're going to do is going to take a walk between the Etihad campus and the Holt stop. About a 10-minute walk this way. I say about a 10-minute walk because it varies on people's abilities. So it's going to be a nice little walk because you will see why as we walk down. So initially, at the start, you have the big illuminated blue M. Just there. I'm embracing the co-op sign. So we go from the big M and we walk down this way. It's down this way. There are a few pieces of art installations bearing from just general art installations to illuminated ones, you could say. Now I'm hoping, because I didn't see it on the way up here, that one of them was actually working, but you will get the drift as we do this. This follows, like I was saying before, the Metrolink line. So if you are, or if you do miss a tram when you're up here, this is a nice little walk all the way down to the next stop. So, here we go. As we walk down, you see banners on the lampposts of how much it is and how far it is and how long it should take to get to the city centre. And according to this, it's a 10-minute walk. So we shall see. Just over there we have the Rochdale Canal and the tram is just coming in now. And then just here, first of the many art installations. And I know it's strange to call them art installations because it's just something on the floor. But that's what it was intended to do, to brighten this area up while people are walking down here. So it's less boring for people. When you walk down, and then technically you have the first piece of art, which is an interpretation of one of the symbols for Manchester, which is the bee. Look at that. Come down. And follow the route, and then it has what is up in this area about the Etihad Stadium. Obviously it's not got at the moment the Co-op Live sign, which now has Sports City for those who've not been up here before. And I'm going to be guessing that these lights up here are sometimes on. And as you can tell, it's really nice and peaceful down here. Something which, considering how far you are outside the city centre, which is not that far, probably about a mile, if that, away from the city centre, away from Manchester Piccadilly train station, it's still quite nice and calming. And then we have this, a nice little mural wall. And as I was saying, as you're walking down here, it's not that far down to the next tram stop, which you can probably see in the distance just there. It's about another 500 metres away if that. And as you can tell on the railings, there are decorative lights which I'm presuming when it gets darker will get lit up. Now, the next bridge, the one I was talking about, it doesn't look like the lights are on, unfortunately. From what I've read online, this tunnel is nicknamed the Honeycomb. As you can probably see, probably understand why. Hexagonal shapes representing the honeycomb. Now, from what I know, of what I've seen, these should be lit up. Just look to the speakers as well. There's also speakers there, but unfortunately, not working today, which is a shame. So I can't show you fully that. And also, if you're coming down here, if you do come to Ventnor here, there is a crossing point here where you go along the other side, or you can carry on this side and keep up the station platform at the council. But also, as with everything else, there are plenty of crossing points along here as well. You've just seen the first one's back there. The second one is just here by the railings. That is the other crossing just there, which will take you down towards the road and area just down there. Excuse me. And quite literally, within 8 minutes, we're at our next tram stop, which is Holt Town. So, I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you do, please like, subscribe, share and comment. It's always good to have some support. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Goodbye.